In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Amex points to Emirates Skywards. It's a simple process that can open up a world of travel opportunities. Let's dive in and get started on converting your rewards into exciting travel experiences. First, navigate to americanexpress.t in your web browser. It's a good idea to have your login credentials handy if you aren't already logged in. Once on the homepage, find the section labeled Rewards and Benefits and give it a click. This section houses all the details about what you can do with your rewards points, making it an essential stop on our journey. Next, within the Rewards and Benefits section, locate the Membership Rewards Program link. Clicking on this will take you deeper into the realm of ways to maximize your points. Here, you'll find numerous benefits and offers associated with the American Express membership rewards. As you continue, you'll see a segment titled Enhance Your Travel Plans. This is where the magic happens. Under this heading, there will be a Book Now link. Click on it, and you will be directed to a page dedicated to booking with points. Once you're on this page, look for the View All Partners option and click on it. This will display a comprehensive list of all the partners you can transfer your points to. Among these partners is Emirates Skywards, the loyalty program of Emirates Airlines, known for its lavish travel experiences. Click on Emirates Skywards. This will expand your options specifically for this airline. At this point, you might see a Show Details button. Click on it to delve into more specifics about the transfer process. A detailed view will provide valuable information on how the conversion works. It's important before proceeding to read the terms and conditions. This step is often overlooked, but understanding the fine print can save you from potential surprises down the road. Now, for those eager to proceed, the next step is crucial. Click on Login to your American Express account to transfer your points. This action commits your points to be converted into Emirates Skywards miles. Make sure you're ready for this conversion, as it often cannot be reversed. This method of transferring points is seamless, but always ensure you have the correct information before finalizing the transaction. With these steps complete, you're ready to explore the luxury of Emirates travel, all powered by your diligent points collection. Thank you for tuning in, and safe travels as you embark on your next adventure using the Emirates Skywards Miles.